In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 5, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So at first you need to open your Play Store, then find and select More icon, and go to My Apps and Games. And here you can either update all apps at once by tapping on Update All, but let me stop it for a while, because you can also update one particular application only. So for example, let me pick Google, tap on Update, and here you can observe the progress. So at first the latest version will be downloaded, then installed. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way, so you can search the browser, watch some movie, just do whatever you want to. You can also just deactivate the screen, and then if you will open Play Store again, you will be able to see the progress. As you can see, it has been already done, and now you can find it under Recently Updated. So this is it. This is how you can update apps on your ASUS. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.